Hey guys, it's Tech Life here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Apple Watch Series 3. Let's go. Okay, let's get to unboxing this. So right when you open it, the first thing you'll see is the box that contains all the extra bands and the charging cable. This slip contains all the basics that you'll need to learn. And this includes your magnetic charging cable. It has an optional large watch strap, and it shows you how to put on the watch. This is the actual watch itself. It comes in an aluminum casing with either a sport band or a sport loop, depending on which version you get. The weight of the watch is 52.8 grams or 1.87 ounces. It comes with a build of stainless steel or ceramic black. It has an electronic SIM card or an eSIM, and it's 57 meters waterproof. This watch has an AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 M colors. Its resolution is 390 by 312 pixels with a 303 ppi density. It's a multi-touch screen, and its protection is sapphire crystal glass. It includes 3D touch display with 1,000 nits. It comes with a watch OS of 4.0, which is upgradable to 5.0. Its chipset is Apple S3. It's a dual-core CPU and a Power VR GPU. It has no card slot, and it's internally 16 gigabytes with 768 megabytes of RAM, which is to be confirmed. The battery goes up to 18 hours, and the watch comes in space black and silver. And of course, putting the watch on is very easy. All you have to do is put the strap over the other one, put the button in the hole wherever you like it, and just slide it through the other hole. Perfect. This watch features Bluetooth 4.2, and it has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It comes with a magnetic charging cable and a USB power adapter. It also supports Air Power Mat. Here are some of the features, specifications, and sizes of the cases. Working the watch is actually pretty simple. Click this crown dial to have access to all your apps. To go on it, you can either click it, or you could dial into it, and then that's scrolling too. The side button lets you access all of your recent apps. Just clicking it again, you can get back here. Pressing down on it, you can see all of your customizations for the watch face. Features include a GPS, a barometric altimeter, a water resistancy of 50 meters, a heart rate sensor, an accelerometer, a gyroscope, an ambient light sensor, Siri, a capacity of 8 gigs, and a composite back. Summary of the Apple Watch Series 3. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.